Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Alpha Futures to Tradingview. Start by logging into Tradivate using the username and password given to you by Alpha Futures. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like a gear or sometimes a menu with 3 lines. Click on that to open the Settings panel. Inside the Settings window, find the section labeled Add-ons. Click on it to continue. Now scroll down slowly until you see the Tradingview option. Check the status next to it. It should say Included. If it does not, click the Activate button. This step is important because it allows Tradivate to connect with Tradingview. Now open the Tradingview charting platform in your browser. Log in to your Tradingview account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner and click on the Trade button. A list of supported brokers will appear. From that list, select Tradivate. After selecting Tradivate, you will be asked to choose between Demo or Live. If you are practicing or evaluating, choose Demo. If you are ready to trade with real funds, choose Live. Then click Connect. A login window will appear. Enter the same username and password you received from Alpha Futures for your Tradivate account. Submit your details and wait for the connection to complete. Once connected, make sure your data is working correctly. You need an active market data subscription in your Alpha Futures account. Thanks for watching.